Look, guys, Christ's blood gushed from my left eye and ran down my hand. That's right. That's what I said. Christ's blood gushed from my left eye and warm blood ran down my hand. Although this was a dream, I knew I wasn't in La La Land. I know what I saw. I know what I felt. And those that say I am crazy are the ones that need special help. I don't know what this all means, but let me make it clear that I did not leave that dream. I did not try to wake, and I did not get up and scream. To feel that warm sensation to this day felt neat. That shit was real as hell. I really felt the heat. Of course, I woke with questions and got my Aunt Juanita on the line. Pretty much she said Father is talking to me, and for what it is for me to find. If you notice, I said Christ. I did not utter a name because somebody labeled him and without a certificate of birth. You know, people lie just to gain. I bet his name has been patented. Oh, trust me, somebody's making dollars. But remember when I said we give birth to ourselves, okay? Christ is Father. Hey, I am not in my sleep bleeding from my eye and catching blood for nothing. You hear? And I wasn't born to listen to shenanigans from motherfuckers with ponytails and skirts and queer. Because all of their asses started off as girls. And just because they crossed over, they went and changed the world. Luckily, I caught that blood and it didn't spill. Because I would have flooded the world with blood. And that's for real. Peace out.